YLC की जान कहा जाता है, और सिक्योरिटी गार्ड से लेके CEO तक एवरीवन नोज हिम बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस समथिंग. ही इज़ वन ऑफ द रोल मॉडल्स मेरे लिए भी, और इट्स इंस्पिरेशन यूथ के. जिससे भी पूछा ना क्या अगर शौक डाले ना हर दूसरे बंदे को जी मोटिवेशन स्पीकर बनना चाहता हूँ, तो आई वुड से कि इस बंदे को देख के जो है ना लोगों को शौक हुआ है. सो विद अ राउंड ऑफ लॉस और मैं जालियावाला.
आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. I'm quite lost at this point in my life. I would like to say that, like I was saying, that I feel quite lost, and I've done YLC as a participant in 2004, as a facilitator in 2005, 2006 is when I led it, and I was a student then. मैं BBA कर रहा था और उस वक्त मैंने ये job साथ ली, part time करता था, और उसके बाद से मैं School of Leadership के साथ रहा. And fast forward till 2019, I effectively was part of all the YLCs that we put out, as you know, sort of programming, bringing in people. There is a thing called thinking, and there's a thing called awareness. और कहते हैं कि thinking जो है वो awareness उसका container है, और YLC इस container को बढ़ा देता है. तो आपकी थिंकिंग कैपेसिटी बहुत बढ़ जाती है, उसमें एहसास आ जाता है, उसमें डेवलपमेंट आ जाती है, उसमें मिलेनियम डेवलपमेंट गोल आ जाता है, उसमें आइडेंटिटी आ जाती है, उसमें 60 शहरों के लोग आ जाते हैं. एंड सो फॉर मी इट वाज एज अ यंग पर्सन रियली कमिंग फ्रॉम हैदराबाद एंड रियली having a corporate job in my mind, it was an eye-opener, and I never really looked at a job again, and I could never really understand why people would waste their lives doing things that they don't want to do, that really don't contribute anything. So YLC was that. It was increase of that container. Number two, I met all kinds. I met, and as a young person, you get to meet a lot of boys, a lot of girls, and I saw boys from elite families, really humble. I saw, girls who would have all hijab on and yet be very daring. So YLC showed this contrast, which was very hard to see in your school, in your college, in your khandan, because there's a lot of sameness. And so I started believing कि यार हर तरह के लोग हो सकते हैं, हर तरह से वो आ सकते हैं, हर जगह से आ सकते हैं. मुझे कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ उसके बाद किसी से बात करने में, किसी से कम्युनिकेट करने में. Because if you could really do YLC, if you could facilitate there, if you could live those 6 days there, then you were ready. You knew how to strike a conversation, and you knew what meaning it carried. Number three, I would say that of all the people that I met, and there were greats that walked on the YLC stage, people who had accomplished so much, people who were artists, people who were politicians. I saw politicians apologizing, SOL, sorry we couldn't make it. I saw artists sitting down and giving their time away. I saw entrepreneurs who could make so much money in the same time, instead choosing YLC as the time, as their place to be. So many corporate professionals I've come across who are so big and so accomplished in their own right, worry what the young people are going to do, and YLC has been an answer to that. Of the greats that I saw at YLC, I always saw कि जो जितने बड़े मुकाम पे होता था ना, वो उतनी आसानी से जवाब भी दे देता था, आ भी जाता था और नखरे भी कम करता था. And so I think it's been remarkable, and I've never looked back, just looked forward. Everything is possible, doable, minus a few things. Can't become an athlete, can't really sing songs, maybe. But hey, if it was about doing something, we can put it down. It was about bringing people together, it's doable. And so YLC is this idealism, lots of idealism. And I think what you carry out of it is the feeling that it's possible. And maybe on top of that feeling, a responsibility that, hey, it's not just possible, I've got to make it happen. That's what I'm here for. And I'm grateful to YLC for that. Yeah. Thank you very much.